am Jenica Isatos of A Grateful Dressmaking. I'm here to present to you the vision and mission of the province of Pampanga. Vision. We envision Pampanga as a competitive province that is effective, transparent, and responsive, duly governed and managed by competent and committed human resource, where peace, love, and respect the environment reign in the heart of every Kapampangan. Mission. The provincial government of Pampanga adhere to uphold effective and comprehensive delivery of social services, role model in terms of good governance, environment protection, promotion of culture, peace and catalyst of change through sustainable trade and investment, quality and affordable education, availability of needed infrastructure and public utilities where its public official private sector of the Kapampangans are partners and committed of the principle of common unity, love of country, and dedicated service, God Almighty. Pasibayo po, ako po, Ijenica Santos, Kapampangan ko, Pagmaragul ko.